Hey everyone, welcome back to Godot. The new limited time free assets are out until December 17th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. If you want to download it, just hit explore now and we can download this Engine Hall, Vegetation Volume 1, and Military Mercenary Bandit. Add it to your cart and hit checkout, like so. And then just go ahead and place the order. And once that's done, you'll get this thank you message saying that it's done. And I'm just going to open my Unreal Engine launcher, head over to library, click refresh, or spam it a few times. And now I have a blank project with these imported in, and let's go ahead and check it out. And the first one we'll be going over in this pack is this Engine Hall, looking really HD, really cinematic, very high quality assets with some special effects. Don't exactly know what's causing this, but it is. Has a very metallic-y, rusty look to it. Probably really good for a horror game, honestly. It does give a very realistic vibe as well. Kind of reminds me of Final Fantasy VII when you're in the Shinra reactor. And yeah, everything looks really sleek, really modern. Love the material, love the little designs on this. I really like the attention to detail over here. And overall, yeah, just a beautiful, really nice asset. And next up is this military mercenary character. And this character comes with the idle stance, walking, and the basic third person stuff. So you have the third person running, falling, jump start, jump land, and jump loop, and so on. And then it comes with a different bunch of skins, or a different bunch of costumes, or a bunch of outfits that this character wears. It's the same character for every single one of them. And yeah. And now last but not least, we have the auto material landscape. So it has really nice looking trees. I don't think my grass loaded properly. It is defaulted in the asset. Let's see. Landscape actors out of date. Let me hit rebuild and see if I get the grass back. All right, so that's whatever. Let's check out the auto material and how it works. So as you can see, when I go really high up, depending on the slope angle, you can kind of see the texture changes. Where it's more flatter, it's going to be a grassier area. On a hilly type area, it's going to be this rocky type material. And then surrounding the grass area is this dirt-like texture. And yeah, just a lot of stuff. What is out here though? Oh, okay. And closer you can see the grass kind of fading in the distance and just only loading the grass in my view, or I guess in a certain radius around me, just for optimization purposes. And then there are also these little river textures that you can add, and these water textures actually do look pretty nice. And yeah, overall pretty cool asset, but let's take a look at the material. So I'm just going to click on the landscape, and then on the details tab, I'm going to search for this material instance, auto material A1. Click on this browse button to take me directly in the folder, double click it to open it up, and it's going to pop this up, and then I'm going to click on the master, open this up to look at what the master looks like. Now this is where the magic happens for the auto material. So there's this auto ground rock, which determines the layer slope, layer blend, and the layer main, and it goes into the landscape layer blend, and then it outputs by breaking the material attributes, and then remakes the material attributes based on these, goes into the landscape and the material or the auto material, and it goes into the auto material master. And yeah, overall pretty cool asset. Could be pretty useful for many of you if you don't, especially if you don't have any landscaping type assets and don't want to manually just handle the sloping yourself. It does come with a lot of calculations. I would say look into it, learn from it, learn how it's done. Looks really good overall. And this is the MF auto slope with the auto material being applied here. And yeah, overall, really cool assets. And another thing that was brought to my attention is some of the featured seller. I'm very surprised. I'm not surprised that Ninja Bear Studio is on this. It's just like the third or fourth week in a row at this point that Ninja Bear Studio is a featured seller again. I know how much Unreal Engine loves the gameplay ability system. It's really nice to see that Ninja Bear Studio is a featured seller, considering how much work they've done on their plugin. My favorite plugin on the marketplace for sure. And another one is by Ida Faber. I really do like their models. I actually know a lot of people who do work with these. They have a ton and ton of models. And yeah, they have really high quality graphics on these characters, pretty semi-realistic characters. And overall, there is just a ton and ton of characters. They just don't stop creating these models. One of my favorite ones is the MMORPG Champion Warrior. So they do have both genders, all modular pieces, which is really cool. Comes with a control rig, and it is tested with ALSV4. I'm pretty sure I'm sure it's already tested with the game animation sample template as well. And you've probably seen this character on the top row in quite a few of my videos. And that pretty much covers it. Thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.